How's it going? How's it going? How's it going to the creative squad? Whatever. I don't even know. I'm not even. I'm gassing it. I'm gassing it now. But yo. Don't watch the afro. I'm back. Did you miss me? Did you miss me? We finished the Spike story I showed you last time. Now I'm gonna tangle with you, I'm gonna tangle with you. I'm gonna show you the next thing that I'm thinking of to keep me busy. This one's more relaxed because it's a fresh new story, whereas like with Spike, he was already a established original character that I've designed from Ephro and Friends. These are totally new characters. I don't have names for them, so if you have any names for me, hook it up, we'll see. But let me flip the screen and we can. Okay, do you like what I did with the side? You like the side. Some goes if as well as there goes if on marriage. Anyway, we digress. I digress. So this story that I'm tangoing with, it's a father and his kids. Father and his kids that spend time with him. Like he's not with the with their mother. So the kids spend time with the father on the weekends, but the father doesn't live in a nice area, so the father lives like in a a bit of a crime infested area, let's say, where it's just like drug addicts, crime, violence, the whole shebang, and to make the story interesting, it's like I'm gonna give like the dad, he's got a superhero gig. So he's got like a superhero gig where he does tasks for the general public that they can't do for themselves. So he helps the general public. You can say like protection. You can say like protection. He offers them protection, or like he'll do like a mission. Let's say, I don't know, the general public got their children kidnapped. He'll go retrieve it, get them back, and blah de blah de blah. Now his kids, they're like, one of the daughter. This is the eldest daughter. She likes to be on her phone. The younger daughter likes, like matcha, bubble tea, all that kind of stuff. So I'm not hip, but I'm gonna, don't worry, I got some informed people that can inform me, and then the little boy, he likes monster trucks. So that's them together, and just wanted to capture that. That's them at the dad's place, and then eventually, like, the children, they act like bored, or they don't have no ratings for the dad or whatever, and then the dad's like, yo, this is this that, and then he gives them or shows them or takes them along the missions and trains them. I don't know, this is what I'm saying. We're tangoing, you get me? Like, we're tangoing right now. We're just dancing around, we're dancing around. So I still need to figure out how I need to write. Obviously I need to write. I haven't written nothing down. This is just, what I'm saying, like I said, this is just freestyle. This is just dancing around, So eventually this is they're gonna do tasks together, and that's how the father makes his money. So when he does these jobs, he gets paid for it from whoever he's doing the job for. And then I did this. This is pretty cool. So this is the child in the dojo training. This is the first like animated thing that I've done for it. So the father's just training the son. I think that's cool. I think that's dope, you know. But yeah, so this is where we're at so far, and then that's, I haven't really finished that, but that's a rough with the father and his superhero. I need to figure out a name for it. I think that it's actually getting cool. Like I was just freestyling the other day, like, you know, sent it to my family and friends. I was like, yo, check it out. But I was freestyling, but I'm like, as days going on, I'm just loving it more and more and more, and I think I can make something cool with it, you know. And then now I need to create the villain. So in the area, you know, like how magic is just like in Disney, magic is fun, you know, it makes it like appealing and stuff like that. But in some cultures, well, in a lot of cultures, magic is evil. So it's not as like positive as they make that look. So in this crazy town, you have dark magicians. So I'm just trying to capture some characters. So I'm just character designing. So like, there's a lot of sharp on here, like a lot of like, you know, like to show like these are like some evil dons, you know, like this guy looks crazy. This one here, and he's got like an eye, you know, in the hood, in it, you know, like the Freemasons and all that, like that eye, like, yo, don't show the conspiracy theorists the eye. They'll tell you, yo, you gone Freemason on them. I haven't gone Freemason. I'm just creating a character, guys. Just chill. I'm not Illuminati. I just create a character. Chill. I'm like the dad of this story, you know. I live in a rough ends. Like I'm not in Hollywood yet. My man said yet, but no, but that's where you can make your speculations, you know. But now I don't need to sell my soul. I feel rich. Because I have my soul. It's like money can't buy that, you know. I'm digressing again because it's not about me. It's about the story. Okay. I don't know what to call him. I don't know what to call him. But yeah. So if you look, it's like it just looks mad. It looks mad. So he's gonna be like mad tall, and then these are like the little minions that just get knocked off. You have to have, you know, like for the episode, you have to have those little minions that's not really a threat, you know, that just get knocked off. That's like one of these. You get me? I think I'm gonna call him Hasiri, and then I'm gonna make a twin for him, and then I'm gonna call him Didam. So it's Hasiri and Didam. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? And then this one, I'm gonna call him Jinia Jabobe. That's like a East African folklore, I think. I don't know. Or I might do like a warawa. I don't know. Innit? Like I said, like I'm just tangoing in it. Like I'm chilling. I'm tangoing in it. I haven't. But so far, this is where I'm at. So it's just like I'm just coming up with some stuff. So, well, you know, let's see if we can do Didam together while I'm with you. So I'm gonna be a bit quiet, but I'm here, my peoples, you know. So I want to make him look ugly, so these are not appealing, but I want to make him look dangerous as well, so I need to have the dangerous element. Like this one, he's circle, but the horns are sharp, you know. It's stuff like that. So with this, I don't know, I'm gonna see. I'm going to see, you know. See what we can come up with. Yes, it's scratchy. This is dirty, you know. This is dirty work. This is scratchy lines, you know. I know a lot of like artists right now, they're like, yeah, it's like when you're screeching the, what's the word, man? But yeah, their skin's crawling right now. They're going crazy right now. But I don't know if I should just give him horn, because it's like typical, innit? Like horns, like typical. Let's see. Again, these are not the final designs. These are just. Yeah, I think the dam is gonna be a little bit more like. Should we give him ears? No, let's give him like mad ears. Yeah, I think I'm gonna make the dam like more like. He's like the more, you know, you got Dumb and Dumber, but you got this guy's like the smart dumb, and then the other one's just. Nah, I don't want to give him too, because the thing is I gotta animate this stuff, man. That's why, like, you know, sometimes I wanna create like I want to create complicated designs, but I gotta animate, man. I ain't got time, man. I ain't got time for all that. So we'll make this one simple. So that's it for now. I'm gonna jet because I'm not trying to bore you lot, and I want to turn this computer off as well. So I'm gone. Respect. Oh yeah, subscribe as well, and like and all that stuff. Love.